Hare Krishna, Aja Ekadashi story. This is also called as Annada Ekadashi. This comes during Bhadrapada month and during Krishna Paksha, that is during waning phase of the moon. Once Yudhishthira has asked Krishna, please tell me about this Aja Ekadashi benefits. Krishna told, whoever is observing this Ekadashi will be freed from his or her sins completely, there is no doubt about it. And also one who is hearing this story will also be freed from the sins. And he says, once Harishchandra has observed this Ekadashi. As we all know who is Harishchandra. Harishchandra is a very truthful king. He maintained integrity in a very tough situation also. In a very difficult situation he maintained truthfulness. So it's that same Harishchandra story Krishna is telling to Yudhishthira. Harishchandra, because of his destiny and also because of his previous birth karma, he has lost all his kingdom, even lost his wife Chandramati and a son called Rohitashva. He is also called by the name Lohitashva. Sage Vishwamitra asked donation from the king. The donation was his entire kingdom. Since Vishwamitra appeared him as a Brahmana and asked for a dakshina, dakshina means donation, the king has to offer. So he sacrificed his entire kingdom and he was leaving the kingdom. While leaving, his subjects followed him. But Vishwamitra told, you donated the kingdom to me, so the subjects belong to me. So Vishwamitra went alone with his wife and his son. And he is again demanding another donation, that within a month he has to give some amount of gold. So to get that, he worked so hard for another donation. So his wife is sold as a maid servant to an old man. So she is cleaning the utensils and she is cleaning the entire house of that man. And her child is also with her, as obviously child cannot be separated from the mother. The man who got his wife and son gave him some gold. So this gold was given to Vishwamitra. Even then it wasn't sufficient. Vishwamitra told, this is not enough. Just to pay another donation to Vishwamitra as promised, he has sold his wife and son. So now the condition is he don't have anything to give. So that time Chandala came. That is the person who is burning the dead bodies, no? Who works in crematorium, they are called Chandalas. So the Chandala came and he said, I will buy this man, so he will work as a servant for me. So what that Chandala did, he bought him, and then now the king, the great king Harishchandra is working, that too working as a servant under Chandala. So the condition is he has to pay before he is burning dead bodies. Harishchandra has to pay some share to his master. So this is the deal. So like this, every dead body this king was burning, as he is a servant of the that crematorium god. Now one day what happened? His wife is coming with his dead child. After seeing this pathetic condition, he started crying and he was saying, oh my God, what type of sin I have committed to suffer like this. But even in that situation, he maintained truthfulness. He is asking some amount from his wife also. Because what was the deal? That he should pay some share to the servant and he must get something from the person who is coming with a dead body. He can't do it freely. So this is the condition, and even though it is his own son, he was asking something from his wife. That's why Harishchandra is very famous for his truthfulness and honesty and integrity. And how his son died, because when she was working as a servant, his son went into a garden and snake bit him. Because of snake bite, his son was dead. So this is a story. And when Harishchandra was lamenting like this, he happened to see a great sage called Gautama Muni. Gautama Muni told, I understood all your issues. So what you have to do is, you just need to observe this Aja Ekadashi, which is coming in this Bhadrapada month. Since he has observed this Aja Ekadashi, he got his wife and son back, his kingdom back. Devatas got his dead son and his wife back. So that's why we should observe this Aja Ekadashi. The great sins also will be vanquished. Moreover, along with Harishchandra, even his relatives and also his subjects went to the spiritual world. It is believed that Harishchandra and his subjects lived in the heaven for some years as per the scriptures. So, Krishna is saying, Yudhishthira, please observe this Aja Ekadashi, which will free you from all sins and it will ascend you to the spiritual world. So whoever is hearing this and studies the glories of this Ekadashi achieves the merit gained by performing a horse sacrifice, that is Ashwamedha Yajna. So this is the narration and this is mentioned in Brahma Vaivarta Purana. Hare Krishna.